Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert stereo to 5.1 surround sound. In converting your audio file from stereo to 5.1, you can make use of a wonderful application called a PowerSoft Video Converter Studio. To use this program, you must get and install it from its main page. Before converting a file, simply go to Preference and make some configurations like the output folder, mouse styles, hotkeys, format, etc. To convert file, simply add a file and open it. After that, click the drop-down menu from the profile and select the format that you want for your audio. To change the audio channel from stereo to surround, just click Settings, go to Channel and choose 5.1. After that, you can now begin the process by clicking the Convert button. Just wait a moment till the process completes.
Can you hear me?
And that's how to convert stereo to 5.1 surround sound. Thank you for watching.